it's Miss Sophie from the Aurora Public Library. I've got my helper June here today. And we're going to show you some really cool kitchen chemistry. This is a simple science experiment where we'll use some easily found household ingredients to learn more about some chemical reactions. So this is an experiment called Magic Milk. And for this experiment, we're going to need a shallow bowl, some milk, cotton swabs, some food dye, and some dish soap. So the first step in this experiment is to pour the milk, June, will you help me? Into your shallow bowl. Make sure you pour very gently because it's a shallow bowl and you don't want to make any spills. Perfect. Now, the second step is to take some food coloring and drop some drops all around the bowl. So June, will you go ahead and do that? All right, so we've added our food coloring drops to our milk. And before we do the next part of the experiment, let's make a hypothesis or a prediction about what we think will happen. So June, what do you think is going to happen when we add the dish soap to the food coloring inside?
I think that all of the colors are going to swirl around and make a pretty setting.
Oh, okay, that's a really good hypothesis. All right, so let's do it. Why don't you take one end of the cotton swab, dip it inside the dish soap. Perfect. Okay, now go ahead and dip it. When the cotton swab touches the food coloring, we see the chemical reaction between the dish soap and the milk. The soap separates the milk fat molecules from the others. Normally, this process is invisible, but because our food coloring is sitting on the surface of the milk, we see all the swirling movement this chemical reaction creates. Now we have a beautiful milk creation that's a result of our experiment. If you have any cardstock or watercolor paper around, you can even lay it down on top of your magic milk to create some custom art. All right, so hopefully you really enjoyed our Magic Milk experiment and learning about the chemical reaction between dish soap and milk. Bye-bye.
Bye.